Hi guys, this is Mrs. Good and we're going to do another phonics lesson. We're going to go back and practice our short I and our short E sound because sometimes we get those sounds confused, especially when we start writing out the words. So we're going to focus on that today. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So, like I said, we are going to work on, I'm trying to make this big. We're going to work on short I and short E. So like the word lit, that's short I. Let, that's short E. So I is short I, is short E. And there's bit, bet, sit, set, pet, pit. So when I do short I, my lips are more I. And then when I do short E, I go eh. You see how my mouth is open more with the E and it's tighter on the I. So I, eh. Okay, so now let's go to the next part. So this is where we're going to do first sound, second sound, third sound. So like the first word, we have lit. O, I, t, lit. So now I want you to do the word let. First sound, O. Second sound, eh. Third sound, t. Put it all together, let. The next word is bit. Bit. First sound, ba. Second sound, I. Third sound, t. Put it all together, bit. The next word is bet. First sound, ba. Second sound, eh. Third sound, t. Put it all together, bet. Bet. The next word is sit. Sit. First sound, s. Second sound, I. Third sound, t. Put it all together, sit. The next word is set. First sound, s. Second sound, eh. Third sound, t. Put it all together, set. Set. The next word is pet. First sound, p. Second sound, eh. Third sound, t. Put it all together, pet. Pet. The next word is pit. Pit. First sound, p. Second sound, I. Third sound, t. Put it all together, pit. Good job. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to omit a sound. So like lit, I want you to say lit without the ol sound. It. We're going to do that with all of the words. So I want you to say let without the ol sound. Et. Now I want you to say bit without the b sound. It. Now I want you to say bet without the b sound. Et. Now I want you to say sit without the s sound. It. Now I want you to say set without the s sound. Now I want you to say pet without the p sound. Et. Now I want you to say pit without the p sound. It. Now I want you to say lit without the it sound. L. Now I want you to say bet without the et sound. B. Now I want you to say sit without the it sound. S. Now I want you to say pit without the it sound. P. Now I want you to say pet without the et sound. P. Now I want you to say let without the et sound. L. Now I want you to say bet without the et sound. B. Then last one, I want you to say sit without the s sound. It. Good job. Okay, so now we're going to switch to our word chain. So remember, that's where I tell you a word and you're going to write it out. So you need a piece of paper and a pencil. So the first word I want you to do is sit. Sit. Now I want you to change sit into set. Set. Now I want you to change set into pet. Pet. Now I want you to change pet into pit. Pit. Now I want you to change pit into lit. Lit. Now I want you to change lit into let. Let. Now I want you to change let into net. Net. Now I want you to change net into get. Get. Now I want you to change get into met. Met. Now I want you to change met into mit. Mit. Now I want you to change mit into hit. Hit. Now I want you to change hit into fit. Fit. Now I want you to change fit into wit. Wit. And last one, I want you to change wit into wet. Wet. So you should have these words, and I want you to read them out loud to yourself. You have sit, set, pet, pit, lit, let, net, get, met, mit, hit, fit, wit, and wet. And then the last thing that you're going to do is you're going to write sentences. You can pick 4 of the words, and I want you to write 4 sentences using 4 of these words. And that is it for this lesson. I'll be sending another lesson too. I hope you guys are having a good summer.